If you've been having trouble with the Money Network app not working properly, you're not alone. Whether it's crashing, freezing, or not loading, today I'm going to walk you through some easy solutions to fix the app and get it back up and running. So let's get started. First things first, make sure your Money app is up to date. Sometimes bugs or glitches are fixed in new version of the app. On iPhone, go to App Store, or you can go to Google Play Store if you're on Android and search for your Money Networking app. And if there's an update, you need to simply update it. Now sometimes the apps just need a little refresh, and the easiest way to do that is by restarting your phone. This clears up any temporary glitches or issues with your phone's memory. Go to settings and simply click on restart or reset, and you need to reset your iPhone or reboot. After that, if that didn't also help, then if you're using Android, you can clear the app's cache and data. To do that, you can go to settings, and on apps or applications, find and tap on Money Network and select storage, tap cache and clear data. One of the most common reasons an app might not load properly is because of a poor internet connection. Make sure you're connected to a stable Wi-Fi network or have a strong mobile data signal. You can try switching to cellular data and Wi-Fi as well. Now, if that also didn't help, you may need to install the app and simply uninstall the app and simply install it again. And that's it. Those are some solutions if you want to fix the Money Network app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel.